Hi, I'm Ricky Burns. I am the Business Transformation Team Lead in the Gulf of Mexico and Canada. Currently 3D printing a respirator to help battle COVID-19. I got into 3D printing a few years ago, I guess. I'm pretty naturally inquisitive to wonder how things work. I really like to tinker around and build things. So everyone in the community is going to get affected by COVID-19 some way or another. It's affecting some people from a health standpoint, but everybody from a mental health standpoint. A lot of my colleagues that were used to going into an office every day, dropping their kids off at school, are now forced to be a teacher at home at the same time as sharing an office with their spouse. I also have colleagues that are working offshore now going to a 28 and 28 rotation with quarantine before that. That's really difficult for them, their families, for them to be gone so long. Even more so, we've got our colleagues that are nurses and doctors that are having to go in every day and spend lots of time taking care of patients while we feel like we want to do something. So I've started printing these here to hand out. I'm printing two different designs here out of a type of plastic. One is the shield so that somebody can have a face shield against sneezing and coughing for different patients. And they've been using these at a lot of drive-up testing sites, nurses across Houston. I can print about 10 to 20 of these a day, working with the makers community across Houston, as well as some of the oil and gas companies with 3D printing capabilities. We've been able to donate over 21,000. They've also included a nice message with Houston Strong on it. The other design is this. This is a full developed to an N99 respirator mask. I've already preloaded all the files are on this SD card here. I'm going to go in, so I'm going to print these filter holders and valves on the sides. And off we go. Now about 3.5 hours later, we'll have all the parts to build a respirator. 20 different parts just snap together. I do a little hot glue just to make sure that it's fully air sealed across it. It's open source, so all of the files are available on the internet. I'm giving them to some nurse friends, so they will get some of these. It's pretty great to see a community come together in a pandemic or a crisis such as this. Working with colleagues across BP that are connected to other groups across the nation that have developed the respirator mask design and are getting that FDA approved. It's really impressive.